afternoon. Welcome to Kababayan LA. And indeed, it's going to be a happy day today on the show because we are featuring 3 Filipino-American comedians. So get ready to laugh. Kung sabi po nila, laughter is the best medicine. Kaya kung meron po kayong mga nararamdaman na mga masakit sa inyong katawan, I guarantee you at the end of the program, nako, mawawala na po yan. Also, because it's a Thursday today, isa pa pong nakakagaan ng ating kalooban, ang music. We're gonna have some singing for you today as well. So stick around para po sa kabuuan ng Kababayan LA. Pero bago ang lahat, ito naman ang mga chismis mula sa Hollywood, hatid sa atin ng Nepales Reports. Janet Nepales, our kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Napakaraming columns sa iba't ibang mga dyaryo. Abangan niyo po ang kanyang column. Pero every Thursday, nagsasalitan po sila ng kanyang asawa na si Ruben Nepales, also from the Hollywood Foreign Press Association, to give us the latest from Hollywood. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Janet.
Hi, Janelle. Kumusta na?
Ayan, ikaw nga, hindi na kita nakikita. You're all over the world, always jet-setting. Janet, mabuti naman at for a few days you have time to spare dito sa Los Angeles.
Yes, I'm happy to be back and report on the latest in Hollywood.
Ayan. Okay, Iron Man 2. Patuloy pa rin ang paghakot ng sa takilya, no? But you have reports you were able to talk to Robert Downey Jr. and Scarlett Johansson. Ano nga ba ang pakiramdam ni Robert Downey Jr. na ngayon ang tingin sa kanya ng mga tao isa siyang superhero?
Yeah, hindi niya inimagine ang sarili niya na maging superhero. Na ang kino-consider niya is parang thinking man's superhero daw siya. And at his age, 45 years old na siya, he can't believe na he's in like 3 franchises right now.
Oo. Does he like the attention? Kasi sinabi mo nga 45 years, marami na rin pinagdaanan tong si Robert Downey Jr. sa harap ng public pa, in the public eye. But right now, it's all good, it's all positive, and so much attention.
Yeah, he's enjoying the attention right now, but sometimes he wants also to be by himself. Kaya minsan daw nagta-travel siya anonymously. Pero ini-enjoy daw niya while it lasts.
Is that possible? He travels anonymously?
Yeah, siguro. Ang ginagawa niyang costume.
Or nagdi-disguise siguro siya. Definitely not as Iron Man, no? But meanwhile, ito naman, another private star, Hollywood star, si Scarlett Johansson, hindi din to mahilig sa limelight masyado.
Oo, pero ini-enjoy nga niya ang role ngayon niya dito sa Iron Man kasi maraming action scene. It's something different for her. So she worked closely with her stunt coordinator and it was really daw very intense.
And how was it like daw working with Robert Downey Jr.?
Nag-enjoy siya kasi nagpapatawa daw palagi ito si Robert Downey. He's funny, hilarious. Kahit daw minsan sarcastic pero naaliw pa rin siya sa kanya.
Were you able to talk to Scarlett about her personal life naman? Diba she just got married. Now, usually after couples get married, then they plan to have a baby.
Yeah, nag-uusap nga daw sila about Marvel Comics and DC Comics kasi pareho na rin silang parang comic heroes ngayon ng asawa niya. They're planning also to have children, but I think that will be later on after all these movies.
Ayan, and speaking of children, speaking of having children, belated happy Mother's Day to you, Janet. You were in Los Angeles and you woke up to a surprise on Mother's Day, correct?
Yeah, thank you, Janelle. Yeah, anong nagising ako nagulat na lang ako si Kylie Minogue merong palang ginagawang video shoot. There were like scantily clad men and women, dancing right down where I live in Grand and First Street.
Wow.
Nagulat kami. Yung pala she was filming her music video, All the Lovers, for
oh
her
my gosh,
album.
I see the picture right now, scantily clad nga, napakagandang, what a scene to wake up to on Mother's Day, Janet.
Oo nga, nagulat nga ako kasi minsan nagla-lunch break sila, hindi pa rin sila nagbibihis, nakaganong pa rin silang, nakabikini pa rin sila. And you can see all the tourists like wide-eyed and saying, what's going on here in LA?
All right, exactly, and that's Los Angeles for you. Napakalapit kasi natin sa Hollywood, so everything happens. But you know what, you were a tourist as well not too long ago in Berlin naman kung saan mo kinover ang junket ng movie na Anonymous.
Yeah, we visited the set of Anonymous ni Roland Emmerich. It's his new political and historical thriller. Tungkol to kay William Shakespeare at saka yung Earl of Oxford. At starring dito sila Vanessa Redgrave, Jolie Richardson at saka si Iris Evans.
Okay, why is this making a buzz? Why is this film making a buzz?
Ang controversy dito kasi i-discuss din nila, one of the themes is sinasabi nila yung Earl of Oxford was the true author of the plays of Shakespeare. Hindi raw si Shakespeare ang sumulat noon. He's more of an actor than a writer and he's really illiterate or something. So yun ang discussion doon, creating controversy.
Interesting. Aabangan natin tong pelikula na to. When is this set to launch?
It's coming out in 2011.
Oh, okay. So medyo matagal pa. But very exciting. Meanwhile, ito naman, nag-come out na yung CD ni Christina Aguilera.
She's doing an album which is called Bionic, pero we were one of the special privileged ones who were able to see. She was filming VH1's Storytellers, na nagkaroon siya ng mini concert at napakita niya sa amin lahat yung mga songs niya, in-explain niya. Each song has a story. So in-explain niya yung story behind the song.
Okay. Well, I'm sure you discovered a lot about Christina, and I'm sure we're going to get to read that in some of your columns. Hollywood Bulletin, ang pinakabago mong column sa Manila Bulletin in the Philippines.
Yes.
Alright.
So abangan na lang ninyo sa articles ko.
Thank you so much, Janet Nipales.
Janelle.
More power to you. Si Janet po ay lilipad naman patungong New York this coming weekend to cover Sex and the City. Kaya naman po, aabangan din natin next week ang kanyang mga report for us. Meanwhile, on Kababayan LA, we will be back for more. Don't go away.